7 risky exercises bodybuilders should avoid to prevent injuries. As a regular bodybuilder, you must push your limitations in order to acquire muscular mass and strength. However, some exercises are more likely to cause injury or difficulties. Understanding which workouts to avoid or alter will help you stay safe and healthy while achieving your fitness goals. Here are 7 dangerous exercises that might cause injury and other problems for bodybuilders. 1. Risks of behind the neck lat pull-downs include shoulder and rotator cuff strain, as well as potential neck injuries. Alternative exercises include front lat pull-downs and pull-ups. Explanation. Pulling the bar behind the neck puts the shoulder joints in an awkward position, increasing the likelihood of injury. Performing the exercise in front keeps the shoulders in a safer, more natural position. 2. Upright rows. The risks include shoulder impingement syndrome and rotator cuff injury. Alternatives include lateral risers and cable lateral raises. Explanation. Upright rows involve lifting a barbell or dumbbell close to the body. This can put pressure on the shoulder tendons and lead to impingement. Lateral raises are a safer technique to target the deltoid muscles without risk of impingement. 3. Good mornings. Risks include excessive tension on the lower back and the possibility of herniated disc. Alternative exercises include Romanian deadlifts and back extensions. Explanation. Good mornings require leaning forward with a barbell on your back, which can place too much pressure on your lumbar spine. Romanian deadlifts and back extensions are safer exercises for strengthening the lower back and hamstrings. 4. Behind the neck shoulder presses. Risks include impingement, rotator cuff injury, and neck strain. Alternative. Do overhead shoulder presses with dumbbells or a barbell in front of your head. Shoulder presses behind the neck, like behind the neck lat pull-downs, put unnecessary stress on the shoulder joints and neck. Shoulder presses performed in front of the head are both safe and effective. 5. Smith machine squats. Risks include incorrect movement patterns, higher knee and lower back stress. Alternative exercises include free weight squats and goblet squats. Explanation. The Smith machine's predetermined course might cause your body to move in unnatural ways, increasing the risk of injury. Free weight squats provide a more natural range of motion and increased muscular activation. 6. Risks of deadlifting with rounded back include lower back problems, herniated discs, and muscular strains. Alternatives include deadlifts with good technique, neutral spine, and sumo deadlifts. Explanation. Lifting with a rounded back causes undue tension on the lumbar spine. Maintaining a neutral spine throughout the lift is critical to preventing injury. Sumo deadlifts can relieve stress on the lower back while targeting the same muscle groups. 7. Leg press and deep knee bend. Risks include knee injuries, lower back strain, and joint damage. Squats are an alternative to controlled leg presses with a safe range of motion. Explanation. Bringing the knees too far towards the chest on the leg push might put undue strain on the knee joints and lower back. Using a regulated range of motion to keep the knees aligned with the toes is safer and less likely to cause injury. Tips for safe bodybuilding. 1. Prioritize perfect form over lifting greater weights. This lowers the chance of damage and ensures that the targeted muscles are properly engaged. 2. Proper warm-up is important. It prepares your muscles and joints for exercise, reducing the chance of strains and sprains. 3. Use a spotter when lifting heavy weights, especially during exercises like bench presses or squats, to get assistance if you have difficulty with the weight. 4. Increase weights and intensity gradually to allow your muscles and joints to adjust to the additional demands. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort when exercising. If something feels wrong, pause and review your form, or try an alternative exercise. 6. Schedule rest days. Give your body enough time to recover between sessions. Overtraining can cause injuries and hinder your growth. 7. Seek professional help. If you're unclear about proper form or how to plan your workout, consult with a licensed personal trainer. By avoiding these dangerous activities and adhering to proper bodybuilding techniques, you can reduce your chance of injury and enjoy a long, productive training career.